Merry Christmas, darling. Let's see. Well, as a girl who loves books and journals, love delivered. So you're about to do an unboxing. Go love yourself. Look at this. It's a handwritten card. It's incredible. Go love yourself. Thank you for supporting my new business while also committing to self-care. I truly hope you enjoy your January read and it inspires you as we embark on 2018. Enjoy. Sharon. Oh, Sharon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All ready to go?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Wow. Cherry blossoms. Founding members box. Oh, this is awesome. Is this everything in the box? This is so cool. Okay.
What's in it?
Ikigai, I don't know how to say it. Written by Hector Garcia and Francis Morales. Indulge your curiosities and discover the Japanese secret to a long and happy life with Ikigai. Your reason to jump out of bed each morning. Ooh, I like this. I haven't heard of this book. Then we have the workbook. Find your life's purpose. Follow your inner compass. Manifest your big vision. They made a workbook. Take life lessons. Okay. Then there's affirmation cards. Okay, let's figure this out. Go from the bottom. This is Springtime in Japan. Candle. That's awesome. Okay. Thank you for supporting my small business. What else is in here? This is like the best Christmas gift ever. Oh, these are affirmation cards. Here's the book. I need a new morning book. This is perfect. The Japanese style to a long and happy life. Cool. I'd love to see the Japanese style. I'm not really digging the American style. This is awesome. And let's see. Very beautiful packaging. A workbook. Maximize your self-love. Sell yourself and the love you care you deserve by consulting one of their featured coaches for a 3-minute coaching conversation. 30-minute. That's beautiful. That's a very smart idea. The unofficial workbook. That's so cool. And then there's tea. Sugar scrub. Nice. There's a tea thing. Okay, candles, white spring cherry tea. How cool is this? Okay, this is soap, a bath bomb. Oh my god. Whoa. I think there should be tea in here somewhere. Getting things everywhere. This is such a beautiful presentation. Isn't it? Oh, here it is. White Eternal Spring Cherry Tea. This is so pretty. I would never buy this. I'm a self-help book junkie, but I would never buy these very beautiful things to pamper myself with, which, funny enough, I think is a key part of self-care, particularly for women, to help us feel really beautiful and feminine. Sometimes you just need to take a bubble bath. Thank you so much, Sharon. This is amazing.